Hi. Peace. There's that smart car. There's a video. Hello. Say hi, Mike, Olivia, Sarah.
Taking us out. Hello.
Yeah, the cousins are taking us out. We're in Old Town, San Diego at Alamo.
Extravaganza adventure.
Yeah, we got candy. And he's all sugared out, but he's still gonna get some.
That was the first
something.
surf store right there across the street.
For real?
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh boy.
Sweetie margarita.
That's what it looks like. Alamo.
There's no sugar?
Ooh. Ooh.
There you go.
Throw the hat off.
Bye.